Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can insert your photos or videos to CapCut PC. So I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. After you download the CapCut app on your PC, just open it and you can log into your account to your CapCut mobile account. And to insert the images, videos, or photos or audios, you can select media and local and just click import to import your photos or videos or audios. Select and just click open, and here's to edit, just add to the track or sorry, or just click on this add icon. That's it. Select photos or images. But on top is add an overlay. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.